Hello everyone, nice to see you again. This is Liya.
This is Freda. In our last video, we introduced our two sparkle marks for 2021 spring. The 450 ml Starbucks cup and the 20-ounce stainless steel bottle. When we checked the video, we found that some of our customers want to know the details of printing. So Liya and I today here to show you the printing step by step.
Yeah, here we have prepared all the materials we will use in printing. The two new cups, the tape, the printing paper, and the heat press machine with a heater for the 450 milliliter cup and another heater for the 20-ounce stainless steel bottle. Now let's begin. First, we're going to print the 450 milliliter Starbucks. As beginning, we need to put our cup into the machine without power on to test the pressure. Here we can see the pressure is just okay, and if you want to adjust, you can shift the knob to adjust the pressure. And then let's turn on the power and start to set the temperature and the time. We set the starting temperature for 160 degrees and the printing temperature for 117 degrees and the printing time for 20 seconds. Okay, finished. Now let's begin timing. And meanwhile, we can prepare to wrapping the paper. At the beginning, we need to cut off the white edges of the sublimation paper. Here, we should be noted that we have to cut off them very clear without any white edges left. Here we should note that the wrapping paper must be very tightly, and because of the bottom is consists of two parts, so here we don't need to cover the bottom base. And now we can see the temperature has risen to the starting temperature, so we put our cup into the machine. Okay, the first time printing is finished. And then turn around the body cup for 180 degrees to make it heat more even. And set the printing time for 10 seconds. time's up. Take out of the cup and stop timing. Now let's check the printing effect.
Next, we will print the 20-ounce stainless steel bottle. Before printing, we need to change the heater. Now the heater is cooling down. Let's change it. Now the heater is changed, let's start printing. First, test the pressure. It's okay. Then turn on the power and set the temperature and the time. The starting temperature is 160 degrees. The printing temperature is 170 degrees and the time is 20 seconds. And start timing. Next, wrap the paper. The paper should be wrapped very tightly and we should leave the 1 to 2 centimeters gap of the bottle. Now it's reached the starting temperature. Let's pour the mark in and start printing. Turn around the mark body and set the time to 10 seconds. It takes nearly 8 seconds to print this mark. Now let's check the printing effect.
Okay, that's all. Freda and I have made a very detailed process of printing the 2 new cups, And as we can see, the time we take are just 8 to 9 minutes, very short, can help us to save our time. And they are also very easy to operate. We really hope everyone can have a try. If you have any questions about printing, please tell us.
Yes, considering most of our customers will launch a new machine set, including one machine, 3 heaters. They are our popular 205B press machine.
And 2 heaters are for the 2 new sparkle cups.
Another heaters for our common 11 ounce and 15 ounce, and we will also provide 2 blacks for our 2 new sparkle mugs.
If you are interested in our machine set, please don't hesitate to contact with us.
That's all of our video today. Hope you enjoy it.
We are local.
We love sublimation.
Join us.
Let's make life memorable. Thank you for watching, and I'm Freda.
I'm Liya. Bye-bye.